All right, so what I'm hoping to demo here, I've got a very old Vizio TV. This is not a... Okay, so what I'm hoping to show you guys, and I don't know if this is going to work, I've got a very old Vizio TV. This is pre-smart TV days, and I purchased a little Amazon HDMI to USB connector. And what I'm looking to try to do is to see if I can connect this to my Samsung Galaxy S21 and actually put something on the screen. Now, I know there's all these casting capabilities, etc., but you know what? This is a TV that someone gave me, an old HD TV, that I'm trying to repurpose for something, you know? So if you're on a budget, I will have links for this Amazon cable if we get this to work. All right, folks. Look at that. Already we've got something on the screen. What happens if I rotate it? Okay, it kind of just shows that perspective currently. That's kind of wild. I'm actually recording this with the phone. So we do have video. We are casting something on the screen. I think if I can change the... Oh, I don't want to do that. I switched it to the front-facing camera. So you can do that. And put put my big ugly face on the screen if I wanted to. But hey, this does work. I'm going to play around with this a little bit, see if I can change the aspect ratio or do anything like that. Because what I was hoping to do was to be able to connect this up and sort of use my phone a little bit like a PC. I know that Samsung has this thing called the gosh, what is that? I want to say Dev box. There's like a dock and a cable. I do not have that, so looks like I'm getting an awful glare too from the sun. I'll have to do something about that. All right, so just to let you know, I turned, was it auto framing? Let me try to press that again, see if that makes a difference. Wow, look what it did. It actually, the little yellow thing there on the screen, I actually pressed that, and now I've got sort of a landscape view. Even when I rotate the phone back to a vertical view, oh, this is crazy. It's like recording itself within itself. This is very odd. Wow. Okay, that looks very odd. So anyhow, this does seem to work. I'm kind of excited because there's some things, some Android things, games, some apps that I kind of wanted to throw up on a bigger screen. They're a little hard to see with my older 61-year-old eyes. So yeah, so this works. I'm going to have a link here in the video and show you what cable I purchased. This is an Amazon Basics cable. All right, so for the second part of this, what I'm going to try to do, don't know if this is going to work, but I purchased a Bluetooth Logitech mouse. This is the M240 Silent. It was pretty inexpensive. I think it was $14.99 on Amazon. And I'm going to see if I can connect this up with my phone. So not only do I want to use the HDMI to USB-C, I actually want to see if I can pair this with my phone. Now keep in mind, this is not the normal wireless type of mouse where it comes with a dongle. This is an actual Bluetooth because you're not going to be able to use a dongle with your phone. Your phone's going to need a Bluetooth device. We'll see if this actually works. Alright guys, so what I wanted to show you here was I powered on the mouse. It has a little thing that you have to pull out of it. And look at that. Logi M240 shows up as an available Bluetooth device. Keep in mind, I think there's like an M185. There's different models of mice that are not Bluetooth. So we're going to see. Will that pair? I'm going to try. This would be kind of cool, really, if I could make this work. Oh, look at that. I have a cursor. So I'm doing a screen recording, and I'm hoping it's actually showing the mouse. Let's open up the calendar. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is too cool. I guess I can click on these buttons down here. I've actually got a cursor. This is really exciting, guys. This is very exciting. I'm trying to look and see what I can click on that's safe. How about a calculator? Oh, look at that. 8 times 6. What does that equal? Equals 48. Oh, this is amazing. So, I'm going to leave a link to this mouse. Now, keep in mind, I'm not going to guarantee that this will work with your particular phone. I'm not an Apple guy. I have nothing against Apple iPhones. I've just never worked with them, so I'm not familiar with them. And my phone is an older phone. This is like what is a Samsung S21? This is an S21 FE 5G from probably 2022. And the USB-C to HDMI cable worked fine. This Logitech mouse worked fine. So for approximately $20, I've got a device that I can use with a mouse and a relatively good-sized monitor, an old TV set. The only thing I have not tried to do yet is link a Bluetooth keyboard. That may be something I do try in a future video. So if you found this helpful, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. Really helps me out quite a bit. I'd like to try to bring you some more content, some more tech-related stuff as I pick it up. And of course, I'm spending my own money on this stuff, so I do appreciate all the subscriptions and sharing and likes. So hope to catch you all in the next video.